Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to create pivot chart. So let's say if you have the data and you want to create interactive pivot charts. So in that case, what you need to do is just stay on the table. You don't even need to select the table. You can just stay on the cell, on one of the cells in the table. Click on Insert. And for pivot chart, you have two options. Either you can create pivot chart only, or you can create pivot chart and pivot table both together. So I would select this option. And as you can see, the table range has been selected smartly by Excel on its own. And so this is the range of the table. And it gives you an option to choose from either a new worksheet or an existing worksheet to create your pivot table. So I'll select new worksheet. Okay. So as you can see, there are both the sections created, pivot table and a pivot chart, as we selected pivot chart and pivot table both. So now these two sections and the fields panel here on the right hand side, it gives you an option to select to drag the data the way you want to set up for a pivot table and pivot chart together. So let's say if I select clients here and I select budget versus actual here on the filters. I go for values here. So as you can see, as I moved and dragged the data field, both the table and the pivot chart creates data or the picture on its own. So we don't need the total to be the title of the chart. As you can see here, it has been created. Now I can also move months on the column here. So as you can see, it has created by month. The beauty of pivot chart is it gives you a selection here as well. So let's say if you don't want to see actual, you want to see budgets, you can view the budgets only. You can also view actuals only. And as you can see, the table and the chart both move at the same time. Even in the scenarios, it gives you an option to select a particular month, and it will give you the pivot table and the chart only for that month. Similarly, you also have an option for specific client here. You can also change the chart type. You can select the line, the columns, you can select different colors from the color board. You can have multicolors as well, and then you can choose different styles as well, of course. If you do not wish to do the filter selection from the chart, you can do that from your table as well. If you do it from the table, it will take effect in your graph as well. So you can select your month here from the table, and it will automatically show on the chart as well. So as you can understand, both are connected, pivot chart and a pivot graph, from your raw data, and you can display your data in the form of a pivot table in the tabular format, as well as in the form of a graphical chart presentation. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share this video, and subscribe this channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.